See, what is more important is the exit poll of the West Bengal state. But according to our reports also, BJP is expected to win with absolute majority. BJP's victory in West Bengal definitely will be a historic victory. 10 years back, we never dreamt of winning even a single MLA in West Bengal. But because of the arrogance of the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, because of the misrule of TMC government, I think people of West Bengal were fed up and they have decided to bless Bharatiya Janata Party, and we are very confident under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, our National President Nitin Nabin ji, and our Home Minister Amit Shah ji. A historic victory for Bharatiya Janata Party in West Bengal is 100% guaranteed.